Hi, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your JAMB result online and through text message. So make sure you watch this video to the end. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much. So there are two ways you can check your JAMB results. The first one is online, that is through the Chrome browser, and the second one is through text message, so by sending text message. So I'll be taking you to the second one, which is through text message. The first method to check your JAMB result using mobile phone is through SMS. This method is quick, easy, and accessible to everyone. Here are the steps to follow to check your JAMB result through SMS. The first thing you need to do is to open your message application, of which I just did. You start chat. So since you are going to send it to 55019, so that's the number you are going to send it to. That's the number you are going to send it to. So let's click it. What are you going to compose? The next thing now is to compose a new message. So you have to type result, all in capital letter. So in capital letter, followed by your JAMB registration number. So you have to write your JAMB registration number. Let's say my JAMB registration number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is my JAMB registration number. So after writing it, send this message to 55019. 55019, that's the number you're going to send it to. Step 5, wait for a response from the JAMB. The response will contain your JAMB score and your admission status. It is very important for you to know that you may be charged a small fee for this service by your mobile network provider. Therefore, ensure that you have enough airtime credit on your mobile phone before using these services. It is very easy for you to just do this result, just send it, type result and send it to this number. But you have to send it with the phone number you use to register with JAMB. Please don't forget this. If you are sending message to this 55019, make sure you use the phone number that you use to register JAMB. For example, I use this my MTM number now to register with JAMB. That's why I'm using this my number to send message to them, so that they will easily recognize me. They can easily recognize me. So in a situation whereby I use my MTN number to register with them, and I am now using Glo or any other MTN to message them, it's just waste of money. You are going to waste your money, and they will charge you 15 naira. So please don't forget the important information. Make sure you send them message with the phone number you use to register with them. I'm going to take you through the second phase, how you can check your JAMB result through online. So before you can do this, you need to have enough data connection, like you need to have a Chrome browser, preferably you need to have a browser. So there are several browsers you can use to check your JAMB result online. Such browsers such as Phoenix browser, Chrome browser, UC browser, Opera Mini, and others, Firefox. So there are several browsers you can use. I'm going to be using Chrome browser to check JAMB result. So let's go. The first thing you need to do is to click on Chrome. So click on Chrome. After clicking on Chrome, so for easier access, just type JAMB result, give space so that JAMB result checker. Just click it. After clicking on JAMB result checker, just scroll down, you are going to see joint admission and matriculation board. So you can also follow another step by typing https column slash slash efacility dot jamb.gov.ng. so we are going to click on this one. Look at it, UTME main exam result. So we are going to click on this web portal now. This web portal, that is the place you are going to check your JAMB result if it is ready. So now let's click on it. So unfortunately, JAMB result have not been released. That's why this that's why the interface of this website is showing like this. Once JAMB result is out, you are going to be seeing a place where you are going to be asked to provide your email address or your JAMB reg number and your password. So by providing this detail, you are going to easily get your JAMB result. You can see it. After seeing it, you may decide to print it out by clicking the print. So that's all. We have gotten to the end of this video. Do well to like and subscribe to this my channel so that you can get more information about JAMB and any other things related to JAMB. So I wish you all the best in your academic journey. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you again.